Alright, what's up guys? So if you guys are subscribers to the channel or follow me on like Reddit or Car Throttle or the RX-7 Club forum, you'll know that I have found a mysterious clicking, ticking noise upon idle. So we're going to go check that out. There's going to be a video right afterwards. And thank you everyone who submitted possible answers on Reddit and the RX-7 forum. Thank you guys very much. It was helpful in trying to ID the problem. So here we go.
Believed to be goes to your gas tank, which I'm thinking is probably your gauge.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
How it's working at all, I don't know. You see this? This is probably what you were pointing at. See that right there?
Yeah.
At the very end?
Yeah.
See how it looks like a bolt, kind of? That's what's squeaking. When you push it in and out, it squeaks.
Oh.
So, but it feels a little loose, so I'm going to try tightening it up.
Okay.
Alright? But that's probably your speedo.
Wanna be you and me. Wanna be everything you ever dreamed. Wanna be you and me. Wanna be everything.
Alright, what's up guys? So as of right now, the noise has stopped. It was a bushing underneath the car. We loosened it up and now it's fine, but the bushing is kind of in bad shape, so we're going to try to fix that. As well as the speedometer cable broke while we were trying to get to the bushing, so we're going to go out and see if we can do something about that. So I think it was just something on the speedo cable that broke. Not exactly sure, so we're going to head out to Harbor Freight right now and see what's up.
So we went and replaced the bushing on the speedo cable, and then it was loose, so I cranked on that housing and made it a lot tighter. Alright? And then, hold on, I'll show you these bushings. This one right here, this bushing here,
Yep.
that I loosened a little bit to relieve some of the pressure. And then over here, it's really hard to see, but you see that I'm pointing to it?
Yeah.
That's the one that was making all the noise. See? So,
Yeah.
so I loosened that a bit just to relieve some of the pressure, and then we'll have to probably get new bushings and something like that.
Okay.
So,
Alright.
that's it.
Alright, what's up guys? So the mysterious noise is gone for now, but those bushings that are on the trans mounts are old, so we're going to try to get some new ones as soon as possible, so that'll be a video later down the road. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate the video, comment on the video, and subscribe if you really liked it, and we'll be back with more Rotary Life soon. Peace guys.